Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, January 5, 2022. Today's video is about Umberto Eco. Umberto Eco, January 5, 1932, February 19, 2016, was an Italian medievalist, philosopher, semiotician, cultural critic, political and social commentator, and novelist. In English, he is best known for his popular 1980 novel The Name of the Rose, a historical mystery combining semiotics and fiction with biblical analysis, medieval studies, and literary theory, and Foucault's Pendulum, his 1988 novel that touches on similar themes. This photograph of Eco was taken in 1984, during the period of more than 30 years in which he taught at the University of Bologna. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.